Hey, from the Pacific Northwest, let's get to the top of that mountain. We'll see if there's any ice under the snow while we're going up. And if anybody didn't make it or made it into the ditch. By the way, we got new head bolts, intake and exhaust gasket, cylinder head gasket, and we have a 630 head that isn't cracked. Usually cracked right about here in between the third and fourth cylinder. This one's been sitting for a while. We're gonna give it a try. So soon we'll be swapping out that head because it's still losing coolant about every 400 or 400 miles or 600 kilometers. I need to add coolant. It's the bottle's empty, or the overflow bottle is empty. So it'll make a big difference once we get that head in. Hopefully everything works fine with that. Got the metal gaskets, so even if the size is different, hopefully they won't tear or anything. But this is the size that matches the intake exhaust manifold, not the 630 head. Supposedly they're a bit different sizes. I think this one's the same. But yeah, plus the bolts. Soon. Not too much snow. Some more snow at this elevation. This cut was reforested 5 years ago. The fir are now like 4 or 5 feet high. Views from Galliano in the far distance, Salt Spring, Maple Mountain, Mount Suhallam, Salish Sea, and even more the Southern Gulf Islands, the Malahat, Southern Vancouver Island. This almost happened to us. We thought we were past the steep parts and shifted to 4 high. Then when our brakes were locking up, we had to grind the transfer case into 4 low to get the compression to slow us down so we can stop. We'll remember this for a long time. We're gonna leave it in 4 low till we make it all the way to the bottom. Till next time, take care.